In Photoshop, there are several techniques to remove background from an image depending on the complexity of the subject and the background. Here are different methods you can use. Before we start, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. First one, Magic Wand tool. Use the Magic Wand tool to select areas of similar color in the background. Adjust the tolerance setting to control the selection sensitivity. After selecting the background, press the Delete key to remove it. Number 2, Quick Selection tool. The Quick Selection tool is great for images with clear subject-background distinctions. Choose the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar, click and drag over the subject to create a selection, and refine the selection using the Select and Mask option to fine-tune edges, and then remove the background. Number 3, Pen tool. The pen tool allows for precise selection and is ideal for complex subjects. Create a path around the subject by clicking to place anchor points. Once you complete the path, right-click and choose Mask Selection, then delete the background. Number 4, Background Eraser tool. Select the Background Eraser tool from the toolbar. Press Alt to select the sample. Paint over the background area you want to remove, and the tool will automatically remove pixels with similar color as your sampled area. Number 5, Select and Mask. Make a rough selection of the subject using any selection tool. Go to Select, Select and Mask. Use the Refine Edge to adjust the edge detection, smoothness, feathering, and contrast to improve the selection's quality, and output the selection as a new layer with a transparent background. Number 6, Layer Mask. Create a layer mask for your image. Use the brush tool with a black color to paint over the background and effectively hiding it through the mask. Number 7, Color Range. Go to Select, Color Range, and click on the background color. Adjust the fuzziness slider to control the selection's tolerance. After making the selection, press Delete to remove the background. Number 8, Object Selection tool. In recent Photoshop versions, you can use the Object Selection tool to draw a loose selection around your subject. Photoshop's AI technology will attempt to select the subject automatically, and then you can remove the background. Number 9, Vector Masks. Use the pen tool to create a vector path around the subject. Then right-click on the path and choose Create Vector Mask. Adjust the path as needed to refine the mask. Number 10, Channels. Use the Channels panel to create a selection from the red, green, or blue channel, depending on which channel provides the most contrast between the subject and background. Once you selected your background, you can delete it or mask it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you do enjoy watching short videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.